I'll mark. Okay, I'll check. Assignment 1.
Question number 7.
Assignment 1, question 7. What is the question?
So the question is for secondary recovery of oil and gas. We will give the table of lift technique and primary, secondary, tertiary recoveries.
Okay. So you're seeing something wrong?
Yes, sir. In this, I will choose the option in this artificial lift is a primary. Artificial lift is a primary recovery or not?
Yeah, that is also confusing. Many times they put secondary, many times they put primary also.
But how can we distinguish in the question? Because in this, I will. Because in this question will be given, I will choose the first option or second option, A and B.
A and B.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But
question.
My one option is correct and second will be wrong. Why?
Okay. Okay, then I'll check.
Both options are the similar.
Okay, so I'll check. If there is any problem, I'll correct. We'll see. I'll check with NPTEL. If there is any error in my question, then question will be invalid. It is like this.
Okay.
Like if any error, I set my question paper, no one verified. So if there is any confusion coming from your side, then maybe like question number 7 mark will not be given. It's like this. Okay.
And
no one will get
question
marks.
number 8. Sir, question number 8 also. In a lecture video, you will say that the USA is the largest consumer of oil.
Okay.
But in the assignment, I will put this option. The largest consumer is USA, but in the answer it will give the largest consumer is the Canada.
Okay. So something
That
wrong.
Is the
8.
Assignment 1, question number 8.
Okay. Largest consumer is is Canada. Okay.
USA or Canada? In the lecture, you will tell us the USA is the largest. USA, China, and India is the largest consumer. But in the option, we will give Canada is the correct option. That is the contradiction.
Okay, so contradictory in question number 8 also. Okay. Okay, I'll recheck this. Okay.
Okay, sure.
I'll recheck this because these are very, non-technical thing. Just I put so that the student will be studying some extra thing also. Okay, and again it changes with time, so that's why I put on 2022. So I have to check that. Okay, because the recent report may be different. There is also right.
Yes. And sir, assignment second and question number 10. This is the numerical question.
Assignment
2. Second, assignment 2.
Last question,
and
right?
Last question.
So everyone is saying that question is wrong.
Yes, sir. No, sir. We will write that in the question the pressure ratio will be give us the 1.
That means Q by Q max is 0.
0. And the flow rate is also 0.
Okay, so it becomes 0
but
directly.
But in this we will give the incorrect.
Okay, so that means my question setting is wrong.
Yes, sir. Question setting and options will be a correction option will be a wrong. Or
0. You are saying answer should be 0 or question should be changed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, then I'll look at it. Okay, question assignment 2. Assignment 2, question 10.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, so I try to set up question paper, but some mistakes sometimes happens. Okay.
Answer.
Any other?
Sir, you will tell us in the class whether we have to use the conversion units of conversion. But in you will tell me the how can we study about that the conversion units of conversion the laboratory to field.
So normally like manually if you are doing, then you have to remember some data. Basic like thumb rule, you have sometimes I apply. For example, 10,000 feet means 3 kilometers. thumb rule, but not exactly 3 kilometers, but approximately I try to remember that. And then some digits you have to remember. And many cases, if too much complex conversion is there, so in problem I give normally the data such a way so that you should not remember too many things. Okay, especially field unit when you're converting, many times there will be many constant terms, 0.0034 minus 5 something something. In many cases I give the constant term so that student should not remember too many things. Okay, because I'm not checking your memory too much, rather I'm your analytical ability. You should remember something, but your analytical ability also I'll check. Okay. Any other difficulty?
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So Tushar, you are in college teaching?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I'm in a college, a fourth year student of petroleum
Or
engineering, seventh
okay,
semester.
in UPS or
In sir, MEM University, Jodhpur.
okay, fine. Yeah. So another question you're
Yes, sir.
saying?
Sir, you will tell us about we will give the correlation are given in the question. In
Mm-hmm.
exams, we will give
Mm-hmm.
in the correlation with questions.
Mm-hmm.
But in the gate perspective, how will we select the correlation and remember the correlations?
So two big correlation, difficult correlation normally we give. Okay. In GATE also you may have seen this like Vogel's equation also given in some question paper I have seen. Uh,
Yes.
okay, although Vogel's equation is very common. So normally professors will be trying to check your analytical ability, not your memory power. Okay, GATE IT professors they will be thinking about your analytical capability. Okay, so
Yes.
they will be giving some formula maybe, but think whether you can think how to solve the problem. Okay, so I will also try to follow the similar pattern. I'll not give too much thing to remember, like big equations. Like if you see there is a reservoir equation, many big formula like K, H, and reservoir for deliverability, formation. So many terms will be there, right? So if I give, that will be too much memory power will be required. So I'll try to avoid that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Uh, so gate also like if you see they will not give too big equation to remember. Okay.
Yes, sir. So
Yes.
in gate perspective, how can we prepare about this topic and subject?
Okay. Uh, how can we prepare? Like you see you go through the course and see the question. Final exam also will be there. There will be some questions. So similar way will be creating like gate question. One thing they will be saying like things should be from textbook. Okay, not too difficult or not too much research oriented. So something more common
Yes.
thing will be in gate actually. But additionally, such a course that many textbook will not be available. Okay. For example, if you go to PCP, textbook is there, but not proper formatted format
Yes, sir.
thing.
We have the issue about the textbook also. We
So that's
will.
why I created one format so that other people also can follow this same technique and they can maybe write book also.
Okay.
Okay. So exact book you'll not find. Only one book I found good. That one, what it's called, Kermit Brown. 4 volumes are there.
Yes.
uh, and many other books also there. Some books are good, some not good. Some books are having not having topic of PCP, some are not having topic on jet pump. But I try to create material so that other authors also maybe they will be copying in future. They will make their own textbook, or maybe if I get, I will also write maybe in future. Okay, getting
Yes.
time also very difficult, huh? Because
Yes.
whenever we are preparing lecture, we prepare lots of material, read things. Now it will be easier for me to write if I wish to write any book on artificial intelligence. I have gone through all the books. No? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Uh-huh. Any other thing there? One Galaxy is there. Who is Galaxy? Are you student or?
Yes, sir. Galaxy J6.
Sir, I am Avinash.
Sorry?
Yep. Avinash.
Avinash, okay, or TA, teaching assistant. Okay. I don't know why people did not join. Maybe message did not go to students. But Tushar got, that means others also should get. Or maybe odd time, maybe class will be there. I don't know. People should fill the time so that maybe I'll also try to find common time so that
Yes,
many
sir.
students can attend.
I will one also query.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, you will provide the transcript of the lectures or not?
A transcript, I don't know, Avinash, transcript already under preparation, right?
Yes, sir. Sadishana is working on it.
So just check with them and because one TA, separate TA for transcript preparation is allocated. Okay, so the TA will be preparing, but I don't know what is the status because the TA is directly working with NPTEL. Okay.
Okay.
So maybe Avinash, you can check, right?
Okay, sir. I will ask Sadishana.
Sir, I have the personal question also
Uh-huh.
with regarding my career.
Okay.
How can I enter in the petroleum industry or field? Because as a petroleum professor or engineer, I will in the now until seventh semester.
Hmm. No,
For the
one easiest
particular,
way. Okay, so sir, one easiest way is that if you are getting direct company placement, okay. If you are not getting, then why not prepare gate? Prepare gate and let's say because we have MTech Petroleum in IIT Madras, we get all the gate toppers. They are trying for ONGC and they are doing
yes.
MTech also. If they get a ONGC, they will leave. Okay, so just try gate. You give first priority to gate.
Okay.
Okay, so based on the basis of gate, you can get ONGC and other interviews, and your subject also will be very much uh, comfortable. Right, you have to study for gate, right? So that will be easiest option. And if you get other companies are calling for interview and placement, that is okay. From your college also you can try, or off campus also you can try. But gate is one of the best option.
So after gate for MTech, which university, which college is the better or not?
So normally we at IIT Madras we get all top gate rankers.
Okay, sir.
Okay, someone got interview call from ONGC, they did not get, they came to IIT Madras. Someone will be trying from IIT Madras. So we got all get toppers actually. Top 20 or 30 maybe be there with us. And there will be ISM will be there. ISM also will get good placement. Okay. So I don't
Sir,
know
if we
about EPS and PDPU.
Sir, for the private sector, if you go to private sector, then which type of option will be open for us?
Like one thing is that direct after BTech, if you want to get, then I don't know whether campusing will be there in your college. Is there any campusing option? I don't know.
Yes, sir. Yes, campus placement is there, but the issue was the our batch is the first petroleum batch.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay, okay. So then it is better if try to get try to get one gate certification.
okay.
Okay, so prepare for gate. That is best option. If you are not getting through company, then you can go to any good institution for masters, and from there again you jump.
Okay,
And
sir.
one thing is that petroleum engineering background with BTech and masters or PhD, we do not get faculty.
Hmm.
You
Yes,
understand?
yes.
So
One
because
issue is that.
so many job is there in industry, so people will be trying to go to industry not as a faculty. It is true for all over the world. If you go to Tulsa, if you go to Aberdeen, everywhere, colleges are not getting faculty. Even your college also, I don't know how many petroleum background people will be
Yes, sir. Only a few faculties are there.
there. Yeah, right. So lots of vacancies are there actually, like industry plus academia. No one is coming to academia. So in IIT Madras, we are teaching. We don't. None is having uh, petroleum background. Okay. So we in IIT Madras also we are teaching non-petroleum background people to petroleum students.
Okay, sir.
We are learning teaching. I had some industrial experience
Sir,
also.
with NPTEL, how can I prepare for the gate with NPTEL? the very much subject are there. Some like a reservoir.
Subjects are there. I have seen reservoir
Offshore
subject is there.
Yes, the reservoir is there, but the offshore engineering and some oil enhanced recovery system and
everything may not be there. Everything may not be there. So that one you may have to read yourself or you make some arrangement. I am recording another course, surface production operation also. Next semester, this semester I am recording. So next semester it will be available. So these two courses I will be recording. One artificial lift done, next will be surface production. But that will be available from January onward. So that time your gate will be almost nearby.
Yes, sir.
One reservoir course also there. Other course I think no one has recorded yet. Okay. So I don't know when some professor will be active and they will be recording. Because this takes too much time whenever we are recording NPTEL lectures. So that's why many professors will not. Okay, one more student join, I think, Praveen. Hi, Praveen.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. From where are you?
Sir, I have completed B mechanical.
Okay.
Presently, I'm working in. Previously, I have worked in field in Kane Energy through contractor.
Okay, you are working there. Okay.
Yeah. Presently, I have shifted to artificial lift for remote monitoring.
Okay.
Is this course is fully useful for me? How can get improved from this course? Newly, I have seen 1 week assessment only. Later, I skipped it. I don't have any as much time, so I try to continue it.
Yeah, so
we need
you
to
have to
manage
find
our
time.
Work-life balance. Yes, sir. So
you have to find time.
Yes, sir. I need to find time. So, is this course elaborate the ESP, sir, fully? Presently,
ESP
I mean,
also there.
ESP workflow. Yes.
ESP, electric submersible pump also there. ESP there, jet pump there, PCP there, SRP there. You see the syllabus, no? Syllabus.
I have seen, but on the first day course elaboration, didn't mention the DSP, sir. I have dropped a message.
That may not be because when I was recording, maybe some word got skipped, but I followed the syllabus basically. So see this 12-week syllabus. More or less, I covered almost maybe 80-90%. Okay. Sometimes some topic maybe got skipped, but normally I try to cover everything, whatever there in the syllabus. Okay.
Okay, sir. Right now I'm working in artificial lift here. Remote location monitoring for ESP workflow.
Monitoring part. Okay.
Yes, monitoring for the mainly reservoir surveillance and production optimization of the roles.
Okay. It will be good for learning for me also. You should teach me how to monitor. Okay.
Yeah, sir. I have basically in field experience only. Right now I have done for a year. So okay, guys. I have seen. Previously I plan to do the Aspen High side. And now artificial lift came also, so I feel okay, we can do this one. I had done.
Okay. Yeah, so this course will be unique course. Actually, no course is there like artificial lift. Google also, I think if you search YouTube, some separate courses will be there. Lectures will be there, but not integrated whole course, right? So I thought let's record it so that many students will get benefit and many people working in industry, they will also get benefit. Yes. And if any weakness or any problem is there in lecture or video, just let me know because we don't want to show something error or some wrong thing from IIT. Okay.
So any other course shall I do, sir? It will be best for my career and
because if you're working, if you're working in artificial lift, then you should go through this course actually. ESP, I have recorded 5 hours lecture, 2 weeks recorded.
Okay.
So almost details will be there from calculation, numerical, and motor will be there little bit pump, little bit flow, everything will be there. Okay, so that will get complete overview in 5 hours.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So it will be like 6th week and 7th, 8th, 6th and 8th week, I think maybe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9 week. I think.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so again, if you study separately only ESP, you may not understand because the whole course will be linked to it from beginning to end. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Yeah, so something like I am explaining ESP, I'll say, okay, I have already explained, so I'm not explaining here, so I'll continue. That way I try to explain. So just try to find some time so that I think it should
Okay,
be.
sir, I will do it. But presently I'm starting to this workflow now, so I want to get more effort for that work. So I didn't get into it. So
okay. Okay. So I don't know.
Any other course?
Uh-huh.
Any other course shall I do it for? So it will be good for my futures and careers other than the RTPL.
I am recording one more course that will be floated next year. That is surface production operation. That's separator systems, gas gathering, all this.
Okay.
Presently recording going on. So next semester will be offering in-class recording. So some MTech students also there. I'm teaching them, and same thing is getting recorded.
Okay.
So next semester it will be available. This semester recording, then some editing will be there. Question paper setting, assignment setting, so many things will be there. Then we'll go through this. I mean, we'll float this, and NPTEL will be managing again. Okay, these two courses. And okay. I saw that some reservoir lecture also there in NPTEL. I don't know whether that course is floated. The faculty member, I think she left IT and she joined some company. The reservoir lecture. Have you seen the reservoir lecture? Reservoir engineering one course is there.
No, sir. But basically, I'm from mechanical, sir. So if I go to the reservoir means it will be, I feel that little bit difficult and it is out of my zone also.
Okay. So anyway, so mechanical part will be like this course is more mechanical. Next course also will be mechanical. Whatever I am teaching. Okay. It's chemical related stuff plus more mechanical. Okay.
Thank you.
Any other student? Any other question? One Raj joined. Raj. Hello, Raj. Raj is not there. Okay. So what to do? Like, if you have any comment, please send me. Even you can send me personal email also if there is any issue in any video or anything. So I'll try to rectify. Like assignment question, Tushar raised several questions. So I'll try to see assignment 1, assignment 2. Okay. If any other issues are there, please let me know. Fine.
सर सर आगे भी मतलब लाइव इंटरेक्शन होता रहेगा
और आगे लाइव इंटरेक्शन करते रहेंगे like not every week, rather maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks later again. Okay. Because I also should have time, and this time I don't know whether it is suitable or not because many students are not joining, but registration is there more than 600. Okay, maybe you have to change time.
Sir, one more question is there. In first we taught about the pressure temperature diagram, pressure temperature curve.
Okay. Phase diagram.
Phase diagram, yes sir. Phase diagram.
Okay.
So in this question number 5 and assignment number 2, second assignment question number 5.
Question number 5.
Assignment 2.
Okay.
In this the dew point option given, the dew point implies that the oil liberate gas as pressure reduce. Is it true or not? The statement is true or not? The dew point implies that the oil liberate gas as pressure reduce.
It should be false.
It should be false.
This dew point implies when you start liberating gas when pressure is reduced. When pressure reducing, it will be liberating gas. Dew point implies that when liberating gas pressure is reduced. Okay, you're saying it should be true, right?
Yes, sir, because the pressure will be reduced in the given curve. When we reach the dew point, on that time the oil will be a minimum and gas will be a maximum. So on that way the option will be like the true or.
Okay. Okay. So I'll check this one also over the issue. Okay.
Okay, sir.
This option also check. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah, good pointing out all these errors. So I'll recheck again all these points, whatever you have raised.
Okay, sir. Sir, for just the curiosity, for the this NPTEL, by NPTEL, I will connect to the industry, or how can I connect to industry through NPTEL?
That I don't know. NPTEL how they're managing. Because I'm teacher, so I'm teaching recording exam. This is my duty, and NPTEL they have big team, so they will manage
Okay.
all this industry and other thing. So that one I don't know how they're doing.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay, so that one I don't, because you have certificates whenever any vacancy is there in artificial intelligence area. So maybe you can show that I have NPTEL certificate, I have completed course. Based on that, maybe you can get interview call. I don't know. That should be
Okay.
the approach. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay. So if more question are not there, we can close this session then.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay then. See you.
Okay, sir. One more. From which week we will get the transcript? Approximate.
What?
From which week
Uh-huh.
we will get the transcript of the lectures?
That I don't know. NPTEL should tell. Okay,
Yes.
NPTEL directly they are doing, so I don't know when they'll be releasing.
Yes.
I don't have idea about that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so maybe we can check. I think he's there. Avinash, are you there? Okay, so we'll check with NPTEL and let you know. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, see you then.
Happy Independence Day, sir.
Okay, bye.
Bye.